Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Larry and I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be seeing another programming languages, which is HTML, which is quite different from what we've been seeing on this channel so far. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So today, I didn't really prepare this video, so I'm just gonna try to show you very basic HTML today. In the next video, we try to build on what we'll be doing today. So the first thing I'm gonna do is the first thing you want to do when working on HTML. When working on HTML to create your website, you first want to specify the doc type. So you just want to copy, just want to type as I'm doing. Just want to type your doc type. Just want to type this right here. This is just to tell HTML that you are using HTML5. So you just want to type this right here. And after typing this, what you want to type next is the tag HTML. You want to type this in. And by the way, I'm using Visual VS Code. And to create a new file, if you want to use VS Code, you can just go on Google and type VS Code and download it using the Linux version. And to create a new file on VS Code, you just want to click right here and type the name. Let's say I'm just going to show you an example real quick. Hello, and you want to specify the file, the type of the file. Like actually, right here we're working with HTML, so the file name will be hello.html, and just hit enter, and you have your file that is created. But I'm going to delete this file. I'm going to delete it and then go back to the file I was working with before. So you want to create your HTML tag right here. This is like the parent tag where everything should be contained in this tag right here. And after creating your HTML tag, you want to create your head. Just like a human body, you want to create the head, and then after the head, you want to create the body. Okay, so you just want to type this, and if you are on VS Code, you can just type B, and then it will automatically give you the rest of the code. You just gotta hit enter to just make it appear right away on the screen. So I got the head right here, I got the body, and after this, in my body tag, I would just want to add the title right here, and then I'm gonna call my file hello world. I'm gonna give the title to this web page right here, hello world, and then I can save it, and I'm gonna show you where it shows up on the web page. Okay, you just want to go to the file you created, where you saved it, and then double click on the file, on the save file. And then if you see right here where my cursor is, you can see hello world. So that's the title of your web page. So that's why what Google uses to rank your page, or to like show up your page, and you always want to have a good title right here. So after doing that, you want to move to your body tag right here. So I'm just going to show you really simple things that if you've never seen HTML, will be interesting. And if you've seen HTML, you want to come back to the channel for another video when we'll be looking at, let's say, CSS or JavaScript. And by the way, I'm just learning HTML too, so I'm just sharing what I've learned to you guys on my YouTube channel. So after this, we want to start with what we call in HTML the h1 tag. It's like the tag is like it's like a tag, like I can say, I don't really know how to explain it, but let me just type it and you will see. So just want to say my YouTube channel's name. Okay, you always want to save it, and then after saving, you want to go back to your web browser and then refresh your page. So you see what you just type in the browser right there, just it's just printed on the screen right here. Okay, and then after doing this, after doing your h1 tag, you can have another h2 tag right here. I'm just going to say we are just learning programming. Okay, I'm gonna save it. Let's go see it on the web browser. You always want to refresh it, and then you have it right here. We are just learning programming. Okay, let's go back to our editor right here. I'm gonna delete this because I just wanted to show you, and actually I'm just gonna show you another one real quick. You have h3 tag right here. I'm just gonna say just testing. Okay, save it. Just gonna save it and then go back to your web browser, refresh, and you got the just testing right here. So h1 tag is has the biggest fonts, and h2 is quite smaller than h1, and h3 smaller than h1 and h2. So that's how it goes. So I'm gonna take this one off, delete these two lines right here, and I want a line after my programming would start right here. Let's say I wanted to have a line right there, or let's say I wanted a line right there. To have a line, I'm just gonna say HR, which is horizontal row, if I'm not wrong, and then I'm gonna have a line. I'm gonna save it and then go back to my browser, refresh it. Then I have my line right there. Clean, huh? It's starting to look nice. We have kind of like a title right here on the page, and then we have a little line right here. And then we can go back to the browser, and then after having a little line, we can type something else. Let's say I want a h2 tag right here. So you just want to type h2 and then hit enter or hit tab, and it will just completely and VS Code just complete it for you. So what can I type next? I'm just gonna say, as I told you at the beginning, I didn't like prepare this thing. I'm just doing it like this. I just said I have to do a video because I didn't do a video for a long time because I had my finals. So I have to do a video. I'm just gonna say languages. I'm so bad at typing though. Languages learned so far on my channel. Okay, save it, and let's see what it looks like on our web page. Okay, let's refresh it. Everything is looking good. We have languages learned so far on my channel. Let's go back to VS Code real quick, and then I want another line. Right here. Hit save. Go back to your channel. I mean to your web browser, and then you see you got a line, but this kind of, that doesn't look too nice. I don't want a line every time, so I'm just gonna take this one off right here. I can save it, and then I just want to, let's say I wanted a list with bullet points where I'm gonna list out all the languages I've seen on my channel. So to create a list, I'm gonna use an on other list right here. So I'm just gonna say UL on other list, and in the UL I want to create lists. So that's LE, hit enter or tab. Actually, I don't want this space right here. I don't want that space right here. That was my phone. Hit enter. Okay. I'm just gonna say the first language I saw on my channel was Python. So I'm just gonna write Python right there, and then tab, and just go to the next line, and next line we saw a little bit of Java too. We saw a little bit, we're seeing a little bit of HTML, and maybe we're gonna see some CSS, and why not JavaScript? Okay. Oh shit. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I'm gonna retype it. Okay, I'm gonna save it. Let's go see what it looks like. Okay, we got a Python right here, Java, HTML, CSS, and everything is looking great. Okay. Okay, everything's looking great. And then let's say I wanted to make this I wanted to make JavaScript bold. So I'm just going to type B, and VS Code know what I want, so I'm just going to type enter, and you're just going to give me the B tag with the opening. This one is the opening, and the forward slash right there, shows that the B tag is closing. So I just want to copy this right here and place it in there. Okay, save it, and let's go what it looks like, and let's go see what it looks like. You see the JavaScript is now bold. If I want to put this one, I want that CSS to be italic. I just want to type the tag opening and closing tag. So I'm gonna copy this right here. Control X or Command X on MacBook. Control X and Control V. Okay, I'm gonna save it. Go back to my web browser and refresh it. You don't kind of see it that well, but it's now italic. You don't kind of see it that well, but it has changed. What can I show next? We've seen so far the tags, H1. Oh, let's see the P tag. You want to get out of your list. Now you want to type the P tag. I want to show you the P tag. P tag actually means paragraph. So what should I type in there? I'm just going to say programming. Okay, I just want to okay. Programming with starter. Is the best channel ever for containers. Forgot S. Enter. And then you can save it and go see what we got on our web browser. We got our text right here. Programming with Starter is the best channel ever. If you want to make it bold, if you want your text to be bold, you just want to go in there and just do as before. B tag, copy all of this, and then you want to Control X, Control V, save it back to your browser, and there we go. We got a bold text right here. So I guess that's all I'm gonna show today. In the next video, I will basically show you how to add videos on your web page, and then maybe add an image too, or how you can add your logos. And from there, we're gonna go to a little bit of I'm gonna show you how to create tables on your web page, and how to use CSS to add colors to your text and everything. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry for the fact that I didn't upload in a very long time. I was pretty busy at school, and with everything that's going now on in the world, I didn't have a lot of time. So now I'm on vacation, so I kind of have a lot of time. I'm gonna try to upload the most that I can, and we'll just be going forward with our HTML or Java and Python. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like the video and share it, because it helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace out. It was Larry.